These girls are putting together a Model B, balsa wood puzzle B, following a model that we've already constructed. And I hope you can see how the three girls are moving together, they're helping each other, they're alert to what each other is doing, they're not fighting over materials, they're not getting in each other's way.
And where is this?
This is Los Angeles, and they are Mexican immigrant kids.
Department of Energy and other things directly. They're all part of the national military budget. So in FY16, we're about at $622 billion authorized. But if you take away the war spending, we're still at 563, rather significantly above China and everyone else, most of whom, of course, are our closest allies. It's the world's fifth largest military budget, just what we spend on the wars. The Cold War gave the president, the presidential power, many tools, one of which was the CIA. What has 9/11 given the president as a new tool that's sort of like the CIA? Special forces. Right?
Technology has been getting a very bad press. And I want to argue that may be true about the current generation of technology, but that doesn't mean in principle that technology necessarily has to be a negative thing in our lives. So what I want to talk about today is, I want to talk about some of the work that we've been doing here at Santa Cruz, which is trying to develop different technology interventions that can actually improve people's mental health and well-being. So I think they're intended to help people better understand their emotions and mood. So we make the technology so it's some kind of mirror to your emotions, because we know people aren't very good at reflecting on their emotions. And then the second thing the system is intended to do is to actually improve your emotional state. In other words, it's intended to make you happier. In a cumulative aspect, when you start one page and then several links down the road, you've wasted an hour or so. Right? So this is kind of the lost on the web experience, right? You go off to do a little bit of research, and then suddenly you're looking into, I don't know, 7 great ways that cauliflower can change your relationship.
The kinglet, fast-paced and hot-blooded little bird that it is, weighs about 1/10,000th of me. It is scarcely a wild speculation, I think, that it takes in sounds, just as it makes them, much more than 4 times quicker than I do mine. If it does, it hears its own song's complexities and probably lots of other subtleties that we miss. Now let's listen to 2 complex songs. Here is a purple finch, which is also a bird widespread on the campus here.
Purple finch.
And here it is at quarter speeds. It seems to me that that's what the bird hears.